Hi, uh, welcome to RankUP on-page SEO Audit report for Tapesplice.com, which we have completed in all aspects of the website issues and the competitor analysis and content issues, backlinks, and security, and everything we have covered here. So let's start with this basic details, domain metrics, our URL, and the domain age is 19 years, 7 months, 19 days, which is really good. We have a very aged domain, so you have a lot of trust from Google, so this is a good thing. So first thing we need to see domain authority. It is a weight of your domain, so it's one of the major Google ranking factor that still consider it from search engines like Google and Bing everywhere. Also, it considers a brand authority score somewhere and some places. So brand authority score is currently 1. Our DA is 18, so which is currently poor compared to competitors, Antistat, Adobe SMT, and SMT supplies. So these guys has at least a decent amount of domain authority, and we need at least 30 plus for have a good trust score from Google. Also, it's help us to rank better. Okay, so to improve this DA, what we have to do is, so we need to improve our backlinks, which means there are has no backlinks, which means I said like we have not built a high authority backlinks set. We have a backlinks which are very general, available in everywhere, so it's free to use. But we need to build a very high authority, niche relevant, and also we have to use edu gov links. These will boost us at least above 30 plus. And also other links like so local citations, niche relevant links, guest post, blog commenting, and other backlinks that can able to boost our performance as well in the long run. So we have to work on this, and we will work on it. Currently we have started. And domain rating, it's a score developed by Ahrefs, and some of the SEO still considering this is also very necessary for a good ranking. Currently we have 16, so there is not much difference between DR and DA. Both can be same. So the scores also sometimes very similar. So whenever you improve this one, we have to work on this as well. So in both areas we can able to get at least DR 30 plus. That can be good. You can see it here. So the next thing is backlinks. We have some good links, but not very niche relevant. They're all very general links. So we need to work on first foundational links which help our brand to get more visible faster. They are very high DA and very popular sites. So we need to include those key backlinks in our site. And as I already mentioned, we have a good age domain. So we do not have a proper consistent link building progress process in the backend. As I checked in the metrics, we need to have a consistent backlink process to help us to bring more traffic faster and focus on improving domain link strength. As I said, we need to work on DR score, which can improve this brand score. And also we need to work on diverse niche related links for both Google and Bing, because nowadays Bing also ranking well, bringing traffic. And with AI is coming, a lot of people working on both areas. And whenever you build a link, we need to use our keywords as the anchor text. It's very important. The current keywords, as you suggested, they don't have much traffic, much search volume. So we selected a list of keywords. Once again, here. So you can see it here. These keywords are good, and you can select it based on your uh, preference. So once it is selected, you can use it in the future link building as well. And currently we use these keywords in our link building process, so no need to worry. And also you can use these keywords for creating blog topics as well. And yeah, and another thing I seen is we don't have inner backlinks, internal backlinks. This means that we need to connect link inner pages like to blog post, uh, link to each other. That's very important because that will flow domain authority juice flow once it is grows. Also, it is help our user to navigate to other blog posts as well. So it is very important have a inner backlinks as well. So these are the backlinks review, and we need to work on it. So yeah, the current security issues, there is no issues we have found. So all good now. We are using free Elementor theme. So please do update it to the current version. SSL is good. And as per the, this is one of the major issue I found it in the site backend and security issue. We have few duplicates plugins that we have installed. Like they do the same functionality, same purpose here. So like this one site check and also Google analytics for monster analysis, they do the same work. So we don't want both, right? You can remove this monster and site, keep this one from Google. And also this one 301 and 402 to 301 direct. I think we don't want to these two. And also this one also these two, because both are security plugins. You can use word funds for as a most popular plugin. And other than unnecessary plugin, we have seen that update manager, you don't need that because it automatically do it if you enable the automate update uh, in the backend. And also Facebook for e-commerce, WooCommerce, it is not necessary. And these things surely affecting our performance. You can see it in our desktop and mobile page performance scores. And please do update your Elementor Pro page builder. And as I said, most of the plugins are free versions, so you're not getting full features, some of them. And like a all in one SEO plugin, which is a free plugin currently you guys using. If you have pro version, please do use it so you can able to get indexed faster. Ranking also you can improve. If you do not have, we have a rank math, I can able to integrate it, but still you need to do all the on page updates manually again. So do consider this. This is very important for our future. Once you get a traffic, this really needs to update it. And regarding with the performance, as I said, we still have 82, which is a okay score, not a good one. So the as I said, the problem is that we have too many plugins, duplicates, which is increasing our DOM usage in the server. Also, we need to optimize our images because this is also delaying our loading speed. So please optimize, and we need to use a better cache plugin. We use like super cache, I think currently. We don't have to use that one. You can try light speed or like a WP rocket, that can be good. And mobile score, which is for below than the desktop score. The same thing, in the mobile we see that images are loading very slow and JS files are loading very slow, and we have a lot of images in the site. So you have to optimize your images for the current gen format. So do update it. And you can also use CDN if you have a good hosting in the backend, and you can ask for them to update CDN for a boosted performance for images. These are the scores for performance. Let's come to the front end issue. Yeah, when I, this is a home page. I don't see the purpose of this one because it is not visible at all because of the background image and this one. So please do make sure keep it a little bit bigger with a some border as well, so people can know that there is a video, right? So yeah, this is one of the issue. And here, this is very, your awards you got, right? The background, I don't think it works because see, people won't see this if you have background like this. Try to have a blank white background or something very noticeable background, because it is very important to create a trust in the customer mind, right? These things will help us. The next one, yeah, remove this browse word. I don't think it is necessary. Just keep future products, bring up, so it can able to show the products faster to the our users. And this one, so you guys, I checked the full order flow and it's going for payment option. So why don't we change this to order now instead of request quote? Is there any reason you keeping this? Because order now is a very easy for people to convince. And this request code means you have to contact, which mean what it means that user need to contact you first, then bring you the order. That's how it goes. So try to update it with a better word, so you will get more engagement in the product section. The same thing for the product page as well. See, request code. And these are all things good, neatly done. And the related products, I don't see anything here. So this is also an issue. You need to show related products. That's very important. Same thing here. Browse. Just keep product categories simple and show all or shop all, something like that. And do change the fonts if you can. Make it little bit bigger. It's very small font for categories, so try to show that differentiation for font and the product, category and the products. Yeah, this one, see, it does not look good. At least have at least three column width, so it will show properly. And uh, also there should be some play button here because it's a video. And also change to product demos instead of video tutorials. Product demos is much more convincing for users to what is it about, right? So try to implement that if you can. And yeah, change the layout better for desktop. I can see good in mobile, but for desktop it needs to be improved. And now comes to about us section. This is very important because a lot of people want to know about your company, but it looks scattered. See the font size, three different font size, three different column. And where should we start? That's a thing. Should I start here or should I start here? You have to give them a easy navigation option. No need to confuse with